All right, Pete Gustis here at 16 Clarendon in Darby. Looking at a great house here. This is a nice neighborhood. There's plenty of parking and private parking out back. Let's go check it out. Walking into the house, you'll notice it's a nice floor plan here. It's been beautifully decorated. The flooring has just been redone. And you go right straight through to the dining room. Chair rail, ceiling fan, and that goes into the kitchen, which is a tile kitchen. Okay, nice thing about these units is there's private parking with a garage and one parking spot in the alley. Thank you for previewing 16 Clarendon. Give me a call at 610-209-9219 for information or a private showing.